All right, I promise you less than 3 minutes, so I'm going to go quick. Today we're going to graph functions that are cube roots, which means I'm looking at something that is the inverse of y equals x to the third. So in y equals x to the third, my x and y values, negative 2 to the third power, that means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 gives me negative 8. Negative 1 to the third power gives me negative 1. 0 gives me 0. 1 and 1, 2 and 8. Now because we're doing the inverse, that means we're talking about the function y equals the cube root of x. All right, so to do that, that just means I'm going to switch my x and my y values. So that means negative 8 is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 8, and 2. Now, what I want to show you, remember today I showed you that there was kind of a shortcut in the pattern that we count by odd numbers. Today the shortcut is plus 1 and plus 7. And there actually is like a real shortcut to keep going, but since the numbers get so big so quickly, for example, the next number in the group would be 27 and 3. So because they get so big so quickly, we're just going to stick with 1 and 7. So that means my basic function is going to start at 0, 0. I'm going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and then up 1 over 7. So you just need to remember 1 and 7. Now the difference is for cube root functions, remember that the to the third power, that function looked like a paper clip that had been twisted. So the cube root functions have two sides to them also. So I also have to go down 1 and backwards 1, and then down 1 and backwards 7. So this function looks like this curved line that you see here. The other difference is because this is going right and left forever, and also up and down forever, when I say domain, I'm going to get all real numbers. And when I find the range, it's also going to be all real numbers. Okay, so here's one example to make sure this makes sense. I've got 2, 1 as my starting point, so I'm going to go ahead and plot that. And now my slope is 3, so just like we did today, instead of going up 1 over 1, I'm going to go up 3 over 1, and up 3 over 7. And then I'm also going to go down 3 and backwards 1, down 3 and backwards 7. And so what that's going to give me is this weird kind of paperclip looking shape. And again, domain is still all real numbers, and range is all real numbers.